How to fix a broken heater in your car. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will guide you through the steps on how to fix a broken heater in your car. So let's get started and bring some warmth back into your ride. Alright, first things first, let's figure out why your heater isn't working. Now there could be several reasons, but the most common ones are a malfunctioning thermostat, a clogged heater core, or a blown fuse. Don't worry, we'll cover all these possibilities and more. Step 1. Check thermostat. The thermostat is like the brain of your car's heating system. It regulates the flow of coolant to the heater core based on the temperature you set. If it's not working correctly, you'll get no heat. To check it, start your car and let it warm up. Then, adjust the temperature from hot to cold and see if the air changes. If it doesn't, you might need to replace the thermostat. Step 2. Inspect fuses. Next, let's take a look at the fuses. A blown fuse can be the culprit behind a malfunctioning heater. Locate your car's fuse box, usually found under the dashboard or in the engine bay. Use your car's manual to find the fuse related to the heater. If the metal piece inside the fuse is broken or damaged, it's time to replace it with a new one of the same amperage. Step 3. Check heater core. If the thermostat and fuses seem fine, then it's time to check the heater core. The heater core is a small radiator responsible for warming the air that enters your car's cabin. Over time, it can get clogged with debris, reducing heat output. To inspect it, feel the hoses leading to the heater core when your car is running. If they are hot, it means the core is functioning, but if they're cold, it might be blocked or needs replacement. Step 4. Flush the heating system. If you suspect the heater core is clogged, no worries. You can try flushing it out. Get a heater core flushing kit from your local auto store. Follow the instructions on the kit and be sure to use the appropriate coolant mix. This should help remove any debris and improve the heat circulation. Step 5. Check for leaks. Another thing you can check is for leaks in the heating system. Look for any wet spots on your car's floor mats, especially around the dashboard area. A leaking heater core or hose could be causing the problem, and it's essential to address it promptly to avoid further damage. You've made it through the troubleshooting process. Remember, fixing your car's heater can be a DIY project, but if you're unsure or uncomfortable with any step, don't hesitate to seek professional help. Safety first, always. I hope this video helped you get back on the road to warmth and comfort. If you found this video to be helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative and exciting videos from us. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.